How to fix any bug in Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix any bug in Facebook Messenger. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first, let's start with the method 1, that is to update Messenger. So simply open the Google Play Store and here simply search for the Messenger app and make sure that the app is updated to the latest version. Updating the app often fixes bugs, as new versions come with bug fixes and improvements. And with that, let's move forward to the method 2, that is to clear Messenger cache. So simply close the App Store and after that simply tap and hold on the Messenger app icon. And from the pop-up menu, simply tap on App Info. And after tapping on that, you'll be prompted to the app settings. From here, simply tap on the clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. And from the pop-up menu, simply tap on clear cache. And once you have done that, check if the issue is fixed after clearing the cache. And if it still doesn't work, let's move forward to the final method, that is to reinstall Messenger. So if the problem still isn't resolved, uninstall Messenger and then reinstall it. And this will give you a fresh version of the app which should fix any lingering issues. And that's it. You have now got some easy methods to fix bugs in Messenger. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.